Exporting budgets from QuickBooks Online can feel indirect during budget reviews, reforecasting, or planning updates. Most people export reports in parts and rebuild the budget in Excel. In this video, I will show you how to export a budget from QuickBooks using SaasAnt so you can pull a structured budget file in a few clicks.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, click Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Budget from the dropdown. Next, choose your date type. Search by transaction date when you want budgets for a specific financial period. Search by created date when you want budgets created during a certain window. Search by last updated date when you want budgets that were recently edited. Then set your date range for the budget period you want to work on. You can keep simple mapping if you are fine with the default columns, or click Add New Template to build a custom layout with the exact budget fields you want. Open Advanced Options to refine the export further when you are working with long budget lists. Quick Search to load the budgets based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the budgets you want to export, and click Download. Choose CSV for a simple flat file or XLSX if you prefer to work directly in Excel. Your budget data is now ready for reforecasting, scenario planning, or client review without juggling multiple QuickBooks reports. You can reuse the same template and filters each time, so exporting budgets becomes a quick step in your planning process.